Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to enable emergency alert notifications on the X app with the latest updated process. Emergency alerts are important because they help you stay informed when something urgent happens in your area. So making sure these notifications are turned on can give you peace of mind and ensure you don't miss critical information. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's main settings menu. This is where all of your app and device preferences are managed. Once you're inside, scroll down and look for the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll until you find the X app and then tap on it to open the app-specific settings page. This is where you can control permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Next, locate and tap on the option that says Notifications. This section allows you to adjust how and when the app communicates with you. Once inside, you'll see another option called Notification Categories. Select that to view all the different types of notifications the app can send. Within this list of categories, look carefully for emergency alerts. By default, this option may not always be active. To ensure you start receiving them, toggle the switch to turn it on. Once the switch is enabled, you will begin receiving important emergency alerts directly through the X app as they become available. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up emergency alerts on the X app. This quick adjustment could make a huge difference by keeping you informed and safe in urgent situations. So, if you haven't done it already, take a moment today to turn it on and know that you're prepared. Thanks for following along.